Good morning, YouTube. This is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with another haul. This is, I ended up getting another one of this little bead trays. I got it 60% off with a $10 coupon, so boom, it was like $33 starting out, and I paid like, what did I pay? 10, 8 or 10. It was cheap. I think it was 8, because I bought one other thing with it, but by the time it took my $10 off, so I love me my $10. That's two $10 good gift cards I done got within the last 3 months. So yay, AC Moore. And I love it. And now you can shop at AC Moore online. They don't have everything up, but you can shop at AC Moore online, and you can use the coupons. So anyway, got another one of those assorted bead trays, and you can put sequins and all your bits and your baubles and your jewelry features. And I used to make jewelry. I used to do necklaces and earrings, and I loved it. And I gave all my stuff away to this mentoring program, and yeah, I don't want to get back too heavy into it, because you can just, you can spend so much money buying beads and baubles and just bits and closures and fasteners and head pins and straight pins and flat head pins or whatever. I can't even remember all the names, but my claps and jump rings and lobster rings are so many different pieces, but fun, fun, fun. Seed beads, everything. But I do still have some, so I want to organize them. And this, so actually this, I know this ain't gonna be up to after Thanksgiving, but actually I bought this stuff on the 14th. I just haven't been home and I haven't had the time to film anything, so that's why no video's been up. So it's Thanksgiving morning trying to get some videos up. But anyway, Flourish, and they had it the week before and I didn't get it, but then I ended up getting it. The number for it is 2055851. And we all have seen Flourish, because it's not a new pack. But I do like the color scheme. I like the peacocks and butterflies. And I recently hauled the ephemera to go with this pack. And I have the chipboard to go with this pack. And then I realized I didn't have the paper to go with the pack. So, and I passed it up a couple times because I thought I got like her other ones, but I hadn't had that one. So I had to get that to go with all the ephemera. And then I picked up a couple thickers. So this is, what does this say? Happy Play. I don't know what the sticker's supposed to be, but anyway, these are some Dear Lizzy thickers, 124. It says Palm Spring, but this sticker says something else, Happy, whatever. But anyway, so that's just alpha, and you can see the print on it. They were $2.19, 2057282. And these Dear Lizzy stickers is petals, and 2057281. You've seen these because everybody's hauled these. And then your Simple Stories Bliss, 29 chipboard pieces. And of course, as soon as I get up here to shine, want to move. They were all in place, not an issue. Oops. Anyway, 2052666. And of course, I know you have seen that as well. And this too. And I did get the little red, because you know I love red, but it's a darker red, more like a brick red. And $1.99 and 2014879. So I had to get that little mixture. And then I picked up a couple dies. And this is the Frayed Posies, and it is 2047506. And if you want the Spellbinders, number is S4619. You can look it up and see a little bit more specs on it. I've already made my labels for organization, because I hadn't had a chance to do the video. But anyway, so that's the size of those two. Okay. That's the size of those two. Now the light is coming back. Oops. And then this one is the Labels 56 Decorative Elements, a 3-piece set. And that is 2047525. Nice size pieces. And they nest inside of each other very well. And this is your Scallop Labels 46, 204-7523. And there's more Spellbinders coming out. So they have been doing Spellbinders every single week. So this again is a nice size. And of course, these are nesting dies. They're scalloped on the edge. They have enough there that you can actually emboss with it. Of course, you can layer 2 at a time. So you can cut out one whole flat piece. Or let's say you want to just make a border. You can cut out these 2 together. So this inside will be cut out and you just have this rim right there and that second piece. So you can do that as well. So that's a 6-piece set. Your nestabilities are always good to have. They may not, you might not think about it, but you can do a lot with that when it comes to making cards and layering. This was a different one. Beautiful banner basket. Of course, I had posted these last week on my Instagram. DaretoBeCreative 1. And this is Botanical Bliss. 204-7527. 7-piece set.
I'm in creative mode.
Okay, I'll be right back. Hold on.
Mom, I'm in creative mode.
I heard you on videotaping.
Hey, everybody. I'm in creative mode. Finally. I can do everything. I can get anything.
Alright, stop talking like a baby. You got a code. So this looks like a little label. And then inside of that, you can label that piece in there, cut it out. Or you can just emboss that piece and stamp on it. Cut that out if you like. You got this little hanging basket. You got some leaves. And you got like a corner piece of leaf. So the biggest piece, it's like that size, the palm of your hand. So I'll show you that one again. This beautiful banner baskets. So sorry about that. Make sure you that one, and that one, and then the last one is the Savory, can you talk? Savoy Decorative Elements 3-piece, 204-7489. Another nestabilities. 1-piece. So as you can see, it's a nice size square decorative. So you could do a lot to label with that, and they fit nicely within each other. So and then the last 2 things I got was just some mixed media, 7 Gypsies. And this is more like just a tile, a 6x6. And again, this you can cut out, or you can use a whole piece, and it's nice and dimensional for any kind of mixed media project. 205-8904. These to be 99 cents, they're $1.19, still a good price. And then this one is the it says short base clock, and this is 205-8900, and again $1.19. So that's the clock. And I love how it allows you to, it's a circle hole right here, so you can actually feel each one of the products that they have. So that is my haul for TM for last week. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.